Range sum query immutable. Given an integer array, nums handle multiple queries of the following type. Calculate the sum of the elements of nums between indices left and right, inclusive where left less than equal right. Implement the num array class. This class, it has two methods. Nums array to initialize the object with the integer array nums, and then the another one is sum range function. Parameter are Parameters are left and right integer values. Return the sum of the elements of nums between indices left and right inclusive. Okay, so when we have this one is just initialization. This one sum range 0 to 2, 0 to 0, 1, 2, right? If they need -2 plus 0 plus 3, so the result is gonna be 1, right? Okay, so in the very simple way is we will create a nums variable here, and then we will instantiate by using this one, right? So don't think about the immutable first. Okay, so we can do just this dot nums equal num, so it's mutable. But for the very first step, we can do like that. We will declare a variable, and then we will instantiate with the parameter values, and then we will loop from left to right, and then we will sum, right? We will sum one by one from left to right. We'll return the sum. Okay, so but the question is a immutable. Immutable means after we declare the array, we cannot change this one, right? So now if I'm using this dot nums equal num, that means it is immutable our existing object, so we cannot do like that. So okay, let's do this. But okay, let me create an integer array variable. I will call nums. Okay, so normally we can do like this, right? This dot nums equal nums. So that means our nums integer array is being mutable. We don't need that like that, right? So we cannot do like this. So how can we do this? Nums equal, I will create a new one instead of changing our old one, right? Okay, length. Okay, and then I need to copy every single values to my array, right? So it's gonna be order of n. When we are going to the sum range, it's gonna be order of n too, right? So I would like to reduce this order of n to be order of 1. Okay, so how can I do this? The way I am gonna do is, if we have this one in my array, I will create a new the array, my array, right? My integer arrays in my class by storing their previous sum. For example, now I will say 0, and then I will -2, previous one -2, and then here I will plus those two, and then I will get -2, and then I will make plus, so 3 plus -2, it is gonna be 1, right? What about -5? So -4, and then -2, and then -3, right? So so I have to create an integer array which has one more room, right, than the input numbers, and then I will save our previous sum values. Okay, so let's do this. For integer I equal 0, I length, and then I plus plus, right? Originally, numbers dot I, it's just 0, right? Because they are integers, original the initial value is 0. So when we want to save numbers dot I plus 1, I will add I plus current input numbers of I, right? And then I will get my this dot num array with the same values. Okay. When I need to return, normally I need to loop, right? This integer array, and then from left index to the right, I need to go. If the left and right is 3, I need to loop 3 times, right? But here, if I want to get 0 to 2, we need to get 1, right? So I will minus this one minus this one. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Okay, so 0 1 2, right? 0 1 2. So this one minus this one, so we will get 1. So the result is what we want, right? So this dot nums right plus 1 minus this dot num left. So it's gonna be order of n, right? Or order of 1. We don't need to loop too much, and then we can return simply what we want. So this one is gonna be order of n, and this one is gonna be order of 1. So I'm gonna submit this one to see what will happen. Okay, so whenever we call this function, instead of changing our original integer arrays, we will create every time we will create a new one. So we made it immutable integer array. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.